Threat Assessment Critical Control Points, TACCP, is a systematic approach used primarily in the food and beverage industry to protect against deliberate threats such as food fraud, sabotage, or bioterrorism. Unlike traditional food safety systems that focus on unintentional hazards, TACCP focuses on intentional threats that could be economically or ideologically motivated. The TACCP process follows a structured methodology to systematically identify, assess, and mitigate deliberate threats to food safety and integrity. Identify physical, chemical, biological, radiological, economic, and cyber threats. Physical threats involve intentional contamination with foreign objects. Chemical threats include the addition of harmful chemicals or allergens. Biological threats are the introduction of pathogens. Radiological threats involve contamination with radioactive substances. Economic threats include fraudulent activities like mislabeling. The TACCP risk assessment uses a matrix to prioritize threats based on their likelihood and potential impact. This helps organizations focus resources on the most critical vulnerabilities. Low likelihood and low impact equal low risk. High likelihood and critical impact equal critical risk. The matrix guides decision making and resource allocation. Identify and document all current control measures in place to mitigate identified threats, including physical security, employee screening, and surveillance systems. Develop new control measures for high priority threats, such as improved access control, enhanced employee training, tamper-evident packaging, and supply chain audits. Develop a detailed action plan with assigned responsibilities and timelines for implementing additional control measures to address identified vulnerabilities. Set up ongoing monitoring and regular review processes to ensure control measures remain effective, and update the TACCP assessment as necessary. Maintain detailed records of the entire TACCP assessment. Document threat identification and analysis. Record vulnerability assessments and risk evaluations. Keep control measure implementation records. Store all records securely but accessibly. A culture of continuous improvement ensures that TACCP remains effective against evolving threats. Regular reviews, employee feedback, and lessons from incidents should all be incorporated to enhance food defense strategies.